Good evening, I'm Spencer Darlington. Welcome to Saturday's Sports Special. Let's rejoin live action, the women's heats and the 100 meters at the World Championships in Eugene, Oregon.
She could do so again. She might have a chance of making the semi-finals. Grace Watcha, 21 years of age, African junior bronze medalist a couple of years ago. She has gone inside 11 seconds, and this season, the double-double. The 100 and 200 in Rio, the 100 and 200 in Tokyo. Never won a world medal at 100 meters though. Maybe this could be the year. Crystal Emmanuel outside Elaine Thompson-Herah in lane 8 for Canada. A little way off her personal best shape this year. She might need to cut down on that 11:38 to stand a chance. So Shericka Jackson, 11:02, all very contained for Jamaica in the first heat. Fraser Price hitting top speed after 20 meters in the second heat and coasting home to 10:87. What kind of marker will we see from the Olympic champion in lane 7 in this third heat of the women's 100 meters? Second from the left-hand side. Good start by Weissman of Israel. Cruise control here from Thompson-Herah. She's already jogging as she takes it from Ngwacha, actually. Good run from the Nigerian. Very tight on the line for the third automatic spot. Just looking for the time. Yeah, a little more conservative than we saw from Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price, but the Olympic champion knows you don't get the gold for running 10:87 in the heats. You get the gold for running the fastest time in the final. That was very, very contained, controlled piece of sprinting, and good work by the Nigerian in second.
And what you'll notice on the replay for the difference between all of them, Elaine's not known for her start, so she worked on her start a little bit. Whereas Shelly-Ann knows that's what she's known for, so she didn't have to work on that. She needed to work on the middle end and holding her speed. Take a look at her coming out. She actually came out the blocks.
It was a good start.
And then she controlled the race.
And then the real charge is coming in from the Nigerian.
Nice and
And
controlled.
also the Italian.
I mean, she's really just jogging, to be honest.
Now that's what it felt like during the race.
She's really just jogging. She did what she was supposed to do. You know, when you're working on your start, and that's been something that's held you back, and she has to rely on her top end speed and her closing speed, what she needs to do is work on her start, and that's what she did.
Smooth, easy from Elaine Thompson-Herah.